Greetings drone enthusiasts, today we're going to show you a quick review and an unboxing of our Mavic Mini Fly More combo. This is one of the best drones we have ever found that has been built. It's really simple to use, and it's so light that you do not need to register it like other drones. This combo comes with everything that you need for making your flying experience, for taking pictures and videos, the best. You can fly it indoors and outdoors. As you can see, it only weighs 249 grams, so you do not need to register on most countries, but make sure you check out your local regulations before you fly this thing. Now, as you can see, it has a 30-minute max flight per battery. It also has 4 kilometers HD video transmission, has vision sensors, GPS, and it comes with 3 batteries and so on. It's very simple to use. I mean, it's really great. Now, we're going to show you what's inside the box, but before doing so, even if you're thinking about buying this drone, make sure that you have a compatible phone. A lot of people just purchase it, and we're going to show you how to figure this out. You take your smartphone and you go to the Google Play Store and make sure you look for the DJI Fly app. If it shows up, then it means your phone is compatible with it, and it has to be a 64-bit phone. If it's not compatible, the DJI Fly app will not show up on the Play Store because it is a 32-bit phone. So don't purchase the drone and try to use an old phone, because if you do so and it's not compatible, you will get frustrated. Make sure that you do have a compatible phone. This is a Motorola One Zoom that was recently launched in October 2019. So yes, it's 64-bit and it's compatible. Just take that into account. If your phone is not compatible, you will have to buy a new phone that is a 64-bit phone, and it works with the DJI Fly app, because this Mavic Mini app, the Fly app, it's only for the Mavic Mini. Now, let's proceed and show what's inside the box. The first thing is the prop guard, and this is very useful if you're flying indoors or if you're flying outdoors and there's a lot of obstacles pretty close to you, because it ensures that you do not break your props and your drone falls apart. So yes, they're very easy to assemble. We're not going to show you in this video how to do so, but just take into account that they're very useful if you're flying indoors or pretty close to certain obstacles. The carrying case, it's a very nice and portable size, and it actually has space for carrying all that you will need for flying your drone. As you can see, we have the DJI Mavic, the controller, and also the battery case that holds up to 3 batteries. Right below, as you can see, this small box has pretty much all the wiring harnesses that you will need. It comes with the wiring harnesses for your phone that plug into the remote controller, and you have the 3 types, both for Apple, the micro USB, and the Type-C USB connector. So depending on your phone, you will pretty much choose the cable or wire, that best suits you, and plug it into your controller. Make sure that you plug it in properly. You don't want it to come loose while you're flying your drone. So yes, press it tight, but don't bend the connector, because if you do so, you will need a new controller. Now, this is the charging cable. It's a USB-C type cable. I mean, micro USB cable, I'm sorry. And it comes for charging your batteries through the battery connector. This is a screwdriver that is included also for replacing the props. The props do come with Phillips screws. They're very small, so you will need the screwdriver to remove any props if you do break them. So they do take that into account. Make sure you carry it on your case, because you might need it. So yes, it fits pretty much on your carrying case. And this is another second charging cable. You can use it for charging your controller while you're charging your batteries and so on. It depends on what you want to charge, but you get 2 wires, so that 2 cables, I'm sorry, so that's a good thing. And these are the extra pair or set of joysticks, screwable joysticks that come with your controller. We'll show you where you have them on your controller, because the controller already comes with 2 of them. It comes with a pair. This controller is very simple to use. It's really nice that you can bend it and fold it. As you can see, those 2 holders there, those are the mini joystick that you screw them in position, and you pretty much can control the drone. You take them off by unscrewing them and placing them on the slot that comes on the controller. So you get the two that come with the controller plus an extra pair or spare set just in case you lose them or break them. Try not to do so. They're a little bit expensive. Now this other box comes with the props, and you get 3 pairs of props or 3 sets, and you get the props plus the screws. So it's always good to have them on hand if you do somehow crash into something. But as again, we said before and again, use the prop guards if you're going to be flying near obstacles. If it's too windy, maybe it will be best to remove the prop guards. Also the drone, as you saw, it has a gimbal protector. Make sure you remove it before flying, and also when you're storing your drone, just to protect the gimbal. It comes with a plastic cover, which is the gimbal protector. Now, this is the instruction pamphlets that come on a small box. It tells you pretty much all the guidelines and rules that you must follow, but you can find all of it on the DJI Fly app as videos, which is simpler. So just read them. And this is the charger, the fast charger. It's an 18-watt charger that you will use for charging your drone and your controller. So let's see what else. Oh, yes, I think that we have, okay, these are the batteries. Again, I'm going to show you how to place them on the battery port or the battery charger. The 3 batteries will come more or less at 25% once you unbox them, but we charged them previously just to show you how it looks like. Every time, make sure that when you're going to fit them, look for the slot that has the connectors and place it properly. There's a side that has a clip, and it will click when you drop them. As you can see, it's showing it that it's fully charged. And the curious thing about this charger is that if you have batteries with different charge levels, when you plug it, what it will do is will charge the battery that has the most charge before, so you can go and fly again as quickly as possible. The one with the least charge will be charged at the last. These 2 ports it has for input and output, so you can use this battery holder as also as a portable battery charger, so you can charge your phone or your controller if you are away from a wall outlet and you need the extra charge. So yes, that's something really good. If you take a look, all of this stuff that you need for flying, you can fit it perfectly on the carrying case, and that's a good thing. There's no space for the charger, but if you're going to fly out there and you have your 3 batteries, that's 90 minutes of flight time, so I think you're pretty much good to go with it. Sorry. And important, the SD card. Make sure you get an SD card that is not more than 64 gigabytes, and it's a class 10 for fast charging, and also a class 3 that it's capable of recording 4K videos. So thanks for watching, and we hope you guys enjoyed the video.